Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to be showing you part 2 of my Fugly to Fab series. Today I will be showing you how I style my full lace wig. I have 8 different styles for you, so let's jump right into it. The first thing I'm going to do is adjust my wig, move the hair out of the way because you do not want strings of hair to get in your glue. And the glue of my choice is going to be Ghost Bond XL. I ordered this from Amazon for about 21 bucks, but I checked it recently and it was about $15. I'm also going to be using 91% alcohol. I got this from Walmart for $2.50. So I'm just taking the 91% alcohol to clean my hairline. I do not want any product on my hairline. I want to make sure that the glue sticks very well, so I'm just cleaning it up. And I'm going to make sure that it dries. So now I'm just going to outline my hairline with the Ghost Bond glue, making sure not to put too much, and I don't want to use too little. You want to use just the right amount. So now I'm taking a wooden craft stick to spread out the product and make sure that it is evenly distributed across my hairline. I do not want it to be thick in certain spots because that is going to cause it to dry different in different spaces. I want it to all dry the same, so I'm just making sure that I spread that out evenly. Once that it has dried clear, I'm going to add my second layer, and I'm going to use the wooden craft stick again to just smear it out and make sure it's evenly across my hairline. So now that the glue has dried to clear, I'm just going to pull my wig up and adjust it to my liking before actually putting pressure on it. I don't want it to stick if it's not set in the correct space. So now that it's where I want it to be, I'm just taking the clip that I had and I'm running that across the front of my lace just to put a little pressure on it and get it sticking. So now I'm taking my hot comb just to kind of get the hairs going in the direction that I want them to. And you want to be careful using the hot comb because it can get very hot. I have the electric one and it gets up to 500 degrees. So I'm just going to use a little bit of foundation that matches my skin tone to put in this part. If you saw the video where I colored this wig, then I was kind of trying to correct it a little bit, but I do need to bring that blue further down into the root of the hairline, well, the part, because it does kind of look as if my part is wide, but my part is really not wide. I just need to get that color down to the root. And I had to take a break and use some setting spray. I forgot to do that in my last video, so if you haven't checked that out, I need you to go do that now. So now I'm just going to flat iron the wig and get it straight. So I haven't really done much customizing to this wig, so I'm just going to trim down my little sideburn piece or whatever. And I'm also going to create some baby hairs. And so this is what it's looking like. I'm feeling myself. And you guys, this is the first look. It's bone straight with a side part, and not too bad. Something that I would definitely have to dress up. Can't be looking basic with this, but yeah. So now we're going to go into our second look. So I'm just going to part off my hair And listen, it started getting a little hot, you know, with all the heat appliances, the blow dryers, flat irons, hot combs, all of that. So I had to change clothes. And so I have not shaved, and that's for a reason. I do have a waxing video coming for you guys, you know, just a little promoting right there. Stay tuned for my waxing video. It's going to be a very good video. If you want to see me in some pain, then yeah, make sure you come back for that video. So here's the look 2, you guys. Half up, half down, still bone straight. I think it's super cute, super fun. Tell me what you think about this look in the comment section down below. Also, if you are enjoying this video, go ahead and give me a big old thumbs up. I would really love that. You know, show your girl some support. And yeah, let's get back into this video. So for my next look, I'm going to be doing some body curls. I'm taking my Stylist Pro 1-inch curling iron. I do need to get me like a 1.5 or a 2-inch so I can get those big luscious body curls. But for today, I'm just going to be using my 1-inch, which does just fine. And I'm going to pretty much just curl my entire head. I am cheating a little bit because you'll notice with these hairstyles, the back of my hair is not really getting that much attention. It's mainly because, you guys, I had to do like a bunch of different looks for you all, and completing the entire style was just going to be a little bit too much. So I did want to focus mainly on the front, and you know, the back, it just is what it is, okay? And yes, I was doing all of this with my baby girl in my lap. You know, mama life, mama duties, always number one. If you have not checked out my mom channel, I need you to do that after this video. The videos will pop up at the end of this video, so all you gotta do is click on them. Go right on over there and subscribe, okay? So you can't just curl your hair and not fluff it out. So you gotta fluff it out and work with it and all of that. And you know, for my ponytail, it's kind of on the thin side, and to combat that, I'm just going to kind of back comb it, or what you would call teasing. And that's just a little tip, you know, if your hair looking a little thin, go on the inside and kind of back comb it. But this is look at number 3, you guys. Half up, half down with the body curls. What you think about it, let me know. I'm feeling this look super cute. But now we're on to the next one. So I'm just going to take my ponytail down. And you know what? I wasn't even expecting this to be a look. It just happened to be a look. And I was like, you know what? I'm going to use it. Why not? Why let this look go to waste? You know, I do got the little ponytail bump at the top, but it's all good. It's all good. All you gotta do is take a little hairspray, get them little frizzies to lay down. And yeah, you can put a little flat iron to it. And this is look number 4, you guys. A side part with the body curls. This is giving me like, I don't know, I'm finna be on the red carpet or something. But now on to our next look. So I'm going to be parting my hair down the middle. And this I kind of like better because y'all gonna have to go back and look at my old video where I was coloring this wig. I only did part of this wig blue, and majority of this wig is purple in the roots. So I like this better because I think the purple and the pink just go a whole lot better than the blue and the pink. But it is what it is, you know. So I'm just spraying my hair down and blowing it out so that I can get my hair to go in the middle part. It was giving me a little bit of trouble, mainly because I used the hairspray to kind of mold that side part in. So it is giving me a little bit of trouble to get this middle part in, but it's all good. That's the purpose of having all of these tools. So I'm just going to take the hot comb through it and try my best to flatten out this side, because I can't go out looking like this. I can't take pictures looking like this, and I definitely can't put this in the video. So y'all see my little backdrop going crazy back there, but anyways, we just gonna work hard to get this side flat with the hot comb and with the blow dryer. I don't know how many times I'm gonna do this, but whatever it takes to get my hair flat, we gotta do it, okay? So I'm kind of getting tired of doing that, and I'm just gonna move on to the flat iron. I'm just gonna go ahead and start flat ironing my hair. I'm gonna let the hot comb get a little bit hotter, and I'm gonna come back to the top because he's still looking a little crazy, but I ain't got time to keep on sitting over here running this hot comb through it, okay? So I kind of got the part to my liking, and I'm just going to go ahead and put some foundation on the part just so that it'll blend a little better with my skin. And I'm just going to continue to like perfect this and get it looking halfway decent, you know, flat ironing it here and there, little pieces that's looking a little crazy. And I kind of thought that this look would be a little better if I had the hair kind of going like side swoop. But here's a look. I want you to tell me down below what you think. We're going to vote on all of these looks, ladies, and I want to know which one is your favorite. So I'm going to pull out my little crimping iron or waving iron, whatever you want to call it, and I'm just sectioning off each side. I told y'all I'm not really focusing on the back, just the front of the look, so don't trip when you see the back, okay? Hopefully you don't see the back. But yeah, I'm taking each section, and the first couple of ones I'm lightly crimping it because I don't want it to get too big. Sometimes when I do crimp styles, I don't even crimp the entire head. I might start like midway because you don't want a big old hairstyle. But anyways, the next couple of rows I kind of let the iron sit in a little bit so it can be a little bit deeper, but you don't want it to be like pressed in real hard because your hair will get big really quick. Okay guys, so here's look 5 through 8. Tell me what you think. Which one is your favorite look? If you love this video, give me a big old thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe and check out my new channel. I would love it if you would subscribe as well over there. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.